motherfuckers.
We're out here at Ice Cream Cruise. Today's the car show. Got everybody out here, got our booth set up and stuff. Over here with PFI. Jamie's over there. Got Amelia over here. Kyle somewhere over there chilling with the cars. Got the RX-7 over here. His MR2 over here. Got Jamie's RT4, Cody's Integra, and Brent's truck. It's gonna be a fun ass day today.
Hells yeah.
Go get some Ronas, baby.
We're trying to get some beer. I'm gonna post a story, and whoever brings us the first 6-pack of beer is getting a free Booster Boys shirt.
Shit. We'll give him a free shirt too of mine.
All right.
First person to bring a 6-pack of Ronas.
6-pack of Ronas.
Better be cold.
Better be cold. If it
there
ain't
you
cold,
go.
man, you ain't getting it.
Go follow us on Instagram at SketchyDA, at Booster Boy Emilio, at Metigulous down below.
So we have loyal fans that
Check it out. These guys over here brought us some Ronas. Hell yeah.
Now look at him. Now he's little. He's smiling. Yeah,
Sketchy Dad is happy, dude. Hell yeah. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. We are here at the race. We're in Ottawa, Iowa. Track looks really good. Kyle's out here. I don't know if he's gonna rip the MR2 or not. Probably not. I keep telling him he should, but he's not gonna do it.
Do it down in Mexico, just not right here.
Why not at the track?
Because I won't pass tech.
Really? They didn't pass it at all?
I don't have seatbelts. Cut that part.
I will cut it out. I'll bleep it. Why it's out here? We were ripping donuts on the little pit bike and stuff. Got the car all ready. I warmed it up. Just trying to adjust the tune and stuff for the elevation down here. Gonna leave it on the same tune-up that we went like 580s down in Colorado at. It should do like a 1.3. Should be like a 1.3-ish, 60-foot tune, hopefully. Soften the shocks up a little bit just to see what this track's gonna do. Yeah. I don't know if I should soften it because the track actually looks pretty good. We went and walked it. I don't think it's gonna wheelie. I don't think it will wheelie, but it should be a pretty fun event. I don't know how the competition goes at all, but at least we'll make a couple passes. I know a couple people, there's some truck out here that wants to race me, and there might be somebody else who wants to race me, so it might race them for some fun also. Yeah, should be a fun event. It's gonna be a nice ass day out. It's supposed to be like 50 or 60 degrees, so the intake air temp should be really good. And yeah, out here having some fun. It's a nice track out here. I didn't even know it was out here.
freaking nowhere.
Yeah, we got no cell reception.
No signal, nothing.
And yeah, car's ready. Just gotta check the slicks. Jupiter's all mad over here. What you doing, Jupe? What you doing? What? What are you doing, Jupiter? What? Jupiter, do you know you were on 1320 video? They said you were cute. Hey.
Yeah. All up in my lap wearing Oakleys. Hell yeah, I went 606.
So as you guys can see from that pass, when I got up there to stage, I was on the launch control and I went to go bump in and my bump wouldn't work at all. I wasn't moving forward at all. So I came back to the pits and adjusted the duty cycle on like the solenoid, how fast I'm pulsing it with my bump button, and I got it to roll forward now. So hopefully that's fixed with that issue. It went 606 at 113, which I don't know why it didn't trap higher, but we turned the ramp up a little bit higher to see if we can get a better 60. It did like a 138 60, so it did pretty good still. I turned it up a little bit on like 25 pounds right now to see what it does. So I'm hoping with the faster ramp and everything, it'll go like trap 119 at least, or 120. See what happens. They're on round 4 right now, so basically they're doing, you get 2 test passes, and then you got to turn in your slip after. You can turn in whatever slip you want. After you turn your slip in, you get paired up. If you make the cut, there's gonna be 3 actual classes, 16 cars in every single class, depending on how fast you run. So make one more hit and then turn our fastest time in, see if we get paired up in any of the classes. I think we'll be able to, with that 6.0 pass, I think we'll still be in the top 16 to get into the fast class, so be fun. Pretty fun event. Yeah, the track seems pretty good, so gonna go watch some of the cars run and then make our second test hit.
I think they're ready.
All right, so second pass didn't go as good as the first pass. Obviously, as you saw, we turned it up a little bit too much, and I had to mess with some of the boost controller settings. I didn't have anything there after 25 pounds on the boost controller settings, so the Holly wasn't able to reference anything, and it made a lot of boost. And I think when it did that is when it spun and got a little sideways. I adjusted the bump down a little bit too, because it bumped super hard, as you saw in the video. It bumped so hard it sounded like I broke something in the rear, but I checked it all out. It seems all good to go. So I turned down the bump, fixed the boost controller shoes hopefully, and turned the ramp down a little bit. Already turned in my slip. That's a 6.0 slip, so we'll see where they place me. They're still doing round 4. I think they're almost done with round 4, and then they'll match us all up and see. Hopefully we make it into the top 16. So they just went through all the classes. We're in the trailer just hanging out, eating and stuff. I'm like the number 7th in the fastest class, so that's pretty good, I guess. Our class is 501 to 633, so no one can run faster than a 501. So see how it goes, I guess. We got the car hopefully turned back down a little bit. The track doesn't seem that great. Seemed like everybody was running like high 5s or like 6.0s. So it should be a pretty fun race. Next round is first round of eliminations. See how it goes.
Light is so tiny.
Yeah, and like that dude up there, he like handed my ticket but didn't hand it to me, and it flew back into the car. I'm like, I don't even know if I won now. Dude, I was up there because I got a 3-pound scramble on the bump button, and I'm all,
go baby, go!
Dude, he came flying around me up there.
Did he?
Yeah.
Dude, you were sleeping on the tree.
Was it?
Yeah, it looked like it.
In my head when I saw the yellows, I was like, go.
Go, dude, drop it.
You didn't go.
My reaction was 0.3.
Was it?
Yeah,
could be
I wasn't
better.
ready because I was all bouncing.
Could be a lot better.
I think we need to. Did it dead hook or did it spin?
I'll have to look at the video. It looked like it hooked pretty good though.
Yeah. Because it only did a 14460. It went 590 though.
Yeah.
That actually went 599 here.
Fucking A.
So it still only trapped 116 though, which is weird.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I'm gonna look at the log, see what happens.
Track, dude.
Hell yeah, that's cool though.
I would turn your boost cut up, bro. Just be safe and sorry.
I hit boost cut. That's what I did.
That's what I'm saying. Turn it up, bro. 32, and it's the end of the season.
I hit the scramble on my bump button. I have it wired up at the scramble.
Yeah, if you were on boost cut for any amount of time,
it could have been.
I guarantee you that's 4 or 5 mile an hour right there.
Probably.
I would, dude. I'm serious. Turn it up to 32 pounds right now.
I only have a 3-bar map sensor.
Don't care. Let her fucking go, buddy.
I can't. All right, so really quick before I have to go up and do a chip draw. Won first round. Pretty cool. First time ever winning like an actual competition race, or actually even being in a competition at all. It was pretty cool. Finally went 5s here. For some reason it's still only trapping 116. Should be trapping at least 119, so not sure really what's going on with that, but might turn it up here. It is the last race of the season. Don't really care about this motor too much, so I might turn it up and I might give it a little bit of timing. We'll see what happens. I got a scramble button also just in case. Gonna go do some chip draws and then see who I get for second round.
Come on, Hayden. 585 though. Is that left? Dude, I don't. Hayden Wilson takes the lawn. Woo!
Wow, that's such a close race. It was 0.06 off of each other. So really close race. It was really fun event. We threw the alternator belt off, and on the way back it got really hot, so I had to have Wyatt come pick me up. Kind of a pain, kind of sucks that we're turning it up and it wasn't going much faster. So did a 128.60 that pass also. Did 3.7 to the 330 and 585 at 118 basically. I think the reason why we keep turning it up and we come down to elevation, we should have better air, but I think those turbos are just out of steam. So that was supposed to be like 26 pounds of boost right there, and it didn't trap faster than we've trapped in Colorado. We've gone 119 in Colorado. So really excited to put that big S480 on it. We won't have any issues with running out of turbo on that S480. Just gonna go ahead and watch the rest of the races, watch the finals and everything. There should be one more round after this one, and then we're gonna load up and go home. We made it back home nice and safe. It was really windy going through Nebraska, coming back to Colorado, but we did make it back. Got the car all unloaded. Take a good hard look at this old setup in all of its beauty, because it's gonna be the last time y'all probably see it. Gonna be taking this off. I made a post on my Instagram asking you guys what I should do first, the cage or the new setup. So I know everybody's saying a whole bunch of things like get some new wheels, do the cage, new turbo setup, put the hood back on. I just want to tell everybody, it is getting a cage this winter. It is getting a new setup this winter. It's getting a lot of things done to it. It's gonna get some new wheels, gonna get a 5-lug setup put on it. It's gonna get a steering rack setup on it instead of a steering box. It's gonna get the hood back on it, all kinds of cool stuff. Gonna leave this motor in it for now, even though I plan on I'm gonna push this thing pretty hard when we put on the dyno next to get the whole new setup on it. I'm gonna try and make like 900-ish horsepower, maybe like 850, somewhere in there. So I'm gonna lean on it a little bit harder than what I've been doing with this setup. I think these turbos are just out of efficiency. Was turning it up down in Iowa, and it wasn't trapping faster than what we were doing here in Colorado on more boost. So I don't know if it's maybe a back pressure issue or something else. I'm really excited to see what this new big turbo is gonna do here this week. I'm hoping Wyatt gets his dies in for the tubing bender so we can take it there, take the setup off, chop the front of the nose off, and do a tube front, do all kinds of cool stuff. This thing is gonna be a freaking race car the next time you guys see it. I hope you are excited for those videos. Gonna be trying to get to that here very soon. I got some other little things I gotta do before I can do that. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.